Alright, today I've got a John Deere stx38 and I'm going to do a belt change. I've seen a lot of things on here. I don't know what the heck people are doing. They're making it a lot harder than it needs to be. They're taking off this whole deck and everything. All it is a spring that you need to undo to get your belt off. So what I did is I lowered this all the way down so I could reach underneath there. And then I grabbed a pair of pliers. And there's a spring right here. All you do is unhook this little hook from it, and then this comes free floating, and then everything else will become really loose. So what I'm gonna do is grab this spring and pull it and push on that a little bit, and the whole thing's gonna become loose. I got my pliers, pull on this, and just like that. That's all you gotta do. And then you can pull this away and the whole belt becomes loose and falls right off. And that's all it is to replace that belt. You don't have to replace, you don't have to take off the deck, you don't have to do anything. Now you can pull the belt off and put a new one on. I'll get that new belt real fast. Okay, so I've got my new belt on, making sure that it goes all in the right direction. And all you're gonna do is you got your tensioner pulley right here. I'm going to push it back. I'm going to grab my pliers. I'm going to hook that piece right back on to the hole right there, and then it's good to go. Like I said, I don't know why everybody's taking their decks off and everything, but this is by far the easiest way to do it.